911, where is your emergency?
Hey, I'm on I-84. I-84 westbound.
What's going on at mile marker 343?
Semi truck flipped over.
Okay, and you're stopped now?
Yeah, I'm on the side of the road.
Anything on it?
Not that I noticed. I'm grabbing the light right now so I can rush out there. I hope I don't lose connection, you know? I'm headed over there right now. Yeah, I'm headed over there right now. They're not out of their truck.
They're not out of the truck?
No. It's flipped on the side. Engine's cut off.
Okay.
There's no one else out here but me.
Engine's off.
Are you okay? Someone's getting out.
Is it? Yeah, I need to know if there's only one person in it. And
Is
you're
it
gonna
just,
have to get
man?
one on board.
Is it just you? Is it just you?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
yeah. Can you get me out?
Yeah, I'm trying. Hold up. It's one female.
Is she okay?
She's okay, she said. We're just trying to get her out.
Ask her what's on the truck.
Hey, what's on the truck? Yeah, you have any flammables? What's on the truck? What are you hauling?
Rolls.
What's that?
Paper rolls.
Paper rolls.
Facebook.
Paper rolls,
That's
yeah.
a good thing.
Yeah. I don't. Just hang tight.
Yeah, just have her stay there. I know that she said she's okay. Do you see any injuries on her?
Yeah, she has a cut on her forehead.
Cut on her forehead?
Yeah. Yeah, just hang tight, okay?
I will.
You don't want to hurt yourself. Is your back, neck, or anything hurting? Your back or neck or anything hurting?
Just try to keep
Right
her still.
now,
You're not gonna hear me for a second.
Your legs? Yeah, just.
Listen,
Okay.
sir, what's
Yeah.
your name? You are not gonna hear me for a second. I need to get a hold of OSP, but stay on the line, okay?
Okay. Hey, just hang tight. Someone's gonna come help you, okay?
All right.
Yeah, just hang tight. Just hang tight.
Can you call my phone?
What's that?
Can you dial my phone number so I can find my phone?
I can't. I'm on the phone right now with 911. Yeah. I got someone on the way.
You got someone on the way?
Yeah, I'm on the phone with them. She's okay. She's just a little.
Can you get your cones out or flares?
Yeah.
Because this coming down around the corner, I didn't barely see you guys. I don't want you guys to get hit in the back.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, ma'am.
You okay?
Yeah, can you call
Out.
my phone?
Yeah, I'll get some flares. I was just staying with her. I got flares.
Okay. Can you grab them?
Yeah.
You want to go with him and grab them? Sure.
Here, can you open these real quick? Hey, I got disconnected with you.
You did. I've got lots of people coming your way. It's just gonna take them a bit to get there. You're in the middle of two places.
Okay.
So, is she still doing okay, alert and conscious?
I had to come back to my truck to get some cones to go put out. But
Is there anybody else that has stopped as well?
yeah, there's someone else that stopped that's helping out. She seemed okay. She wants her phone and she wants to get out of the truck. Do you want me to try to break the windshield?
That's up to you. You gotta do it safe. I don't want her getting injured more. I do have a fire unit that isn't near as far out as my medical unit right
Okay.
So if you just have her sit tight, but try to keep her calm. And like I said, you guys gotta be safe because there might be more traffic coming through.
Yeah, there's a lot of traffic coming through. Okay.
Yeah. So if you guys, if anybody has flares or anything like that, get them out. And get hazards on. But
Okay.
It's gonna take some time for law enforcement to get.
What's that? Yeah, she's all right. Thank you.
If anything changes, call me right back. Okay.
Okay, we'll do.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Ma'am, just hang tight. We still have someone on the way, okay?
Okay.
It's better not to break this glass and hurt ourselves.
All right.
What's your phone number? I can call your phone. Okay, it's calling. It's got a voicemail.
3,
Okay.
7,
Shut off
5.
then. Okay. This might be the phone. I hope it is.
Yeah, they're probably about 10 more minutes out. I'm just guessing. Because, you know, we're pretty far out here, so. But they're on their way, lots of people.
I bet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're my FedEx guy, huh?
Nah. You know,
Trailer.
yeah.
I remember passing you,
Yeah, you passed me pretty quick. What happened here?
but I slowed down.
I saw you, but I saw your trailer. Your trailer was flipping. Like,
I've got rolls, those big rolls in here.
yeah.
And there's like 6,000 pounds. And that's the second time they shifted on me. So,
Okay. Do you have some triangles? Are they're probably in there. It's okay. I put mine out there. You're all good.
I'm like, how do you want me to get them?
Well, I wasn't sure if you had them in your cab or, you know.
They're,
Yeah, I can't access them. It's all good. Don't worry about it. I got mine out there. You're all good. Doesn't look like anything was tied down. Messed up pretty badly. You can see she came around this corner here. We got the triangles out. She came around the corner. You can see the skid mark all across here. Pretty sure speeding was a factor in this. Skid mark all the way back over there to over here. Can't get around that way. Just wanted to make sure no gasoline is oh yeah, you do have gas right there coming out. You doing okay in there?
yeah. That seatbelt saved my life.
Good, good.
That's the only thing that saved my life right now is that seatbelt.
Hey, how's it going?
That's good.
Everybody's okay, it's just her. She's alright.
Did you see it happen?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
She's like sleep something or just
No.
shot her?
Just speeding.
Oh,
She said the load shifted. She has rolls back there.
Yeah, she's got a roll in the back.
that
And-
thing
and-
I never pick up.
And they don't look like they were tied down, but I can't tell, you know, like
But
she has 6 of them back there and they
man, she's so lucky.
oh, she said that seatbelt saved her life.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that saved her life.
I believe that.
Just Yeah.
Check it out.
No, kick over here.
You know how sore my legs are right now?
Yeah, sure. I will just wait. They should be here any second now.
But thank God, man. Couple years back on I-5 California, the guy have a paper roll. They shifted to the front. The driver's truck.
Wow.
Everything is messed up.
Yeah.
That's why I never pick up the paper roll.
This almost flipped past me.
Do you have any more triangles?
Oh yeah, I do.
We need to put a couple more back there.
Okay.
Yeah, they're still hauling around the
Yeah,
corner.
they're coming around the corner fast. I did. That's
Yeah.
That's why I stopped. I was like, holy crap.
I thought I had flares, but I don't. They should be here though. It could have been a lot worse, man. That gas could have sparked easily. It looked like she rolled, like she slid quite a ways.
Yeah, she slid all
If
the way
you,
down. Someone took out the third cone.
Alrighty, yeah. No, she was speeding.
Was she?
Yeah, like hauling. No, she has it. I think it's dead.
Oh,
I tried calling it and it just went to voicemail.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna get going.
Yeah.
That's what I can do. As long as everybody's okay.
All right, take care. Thank you guys. I'm glad she's okay, but I do not feel safe hanging around that truck with this last truck just flying around the corner like that. I thought I was gonna hit the truck, man. I would have been dead if that would have happened. That was a little scary, man. Whew. Ma'am, you there?
Yeah.
They're here to get you out, okay? Thank you. More flares.
I'll bring the wire to remove the roll.
Hey.
In there?
Yeah, just one female passenger. She's okay. She's shooken up.
Hi. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing broke or anything right now? Okay. Well, we'll see what we can do about getting you out of there. How's that?
You can move this one.
Yeah, we're gonna do that, all right.
Paper roll of the car is on the shift of the
Were you changing?
मैं बोलूँगा है अभी भाई हाँ तो टाइट ही है तो बढ़िया
What does she got back there?
पेपर रोल
Papers? Okay. Yeah, in the big roll, so nothing leaking.
No,
No.
except for the gasoline probably on that side.
Leaking out?
Looks like it. Right here, you see it? I assume that's gas.
No, that's okay.
No? Okay.
Go.
Thank you. Hey, do I need to stick around?
You might. Where you at? See what happened?
Kinda. I was behind her,
Okay.
and I noticed she was speeding. You know.
Alright. Law enforcement may want to talk to you, so I would hang out for a little while if you could.
Okay. Is it cool if I go in my truck?
Yep.
I'll just sit tight right there. All right. Right behind you, sir. I'm just gonna grab my triangle reflectors since you have these brighter lights. Thanks. Hi.
Rough night?
No, not for me.
Lost her. Huh?
No, you can go around. You can still smell the rubber. Maybe put that at the end. I hear this lady laughing, so that's really good.
You with DOT?
No, just a driver.
Okay.
You see when on that first curve, how it started to tilt?
I did. It looked
Okay.
like you got the 2 back wheels off the ground.
Yeah, but I tried, and then I brought it back over.
Yeah.
But I think it was too late once.
No, that was like three miles ago.
Yeah.
It wasn't too late, but yeah, I saw
but I
that.
think it had already shifted. But it didn't matter which curve I turned, I was gonna go. Because that was the 3rd time that this load shifted. I had to stop in Texas and shift it back.
Was it tied down?
No, they don't tie the rolls down.
Really?
Those are 6,000 pounds each. So I have like 8 of them in there. Or I have 6 of them, 7 of them in there. 7 rolls.
What are you hauling?
Big paper rolls. But my boss knew already because I called him. I said, you know, the load is shifting on me. He said, stop. He said, and back up and try to shift it back. Because it had all gone to the front and hit 38,000 pounds on my front axles.
Yeah.
There's nothing. The back one is fine. It was just the front ones, the way they loaded them. They didn't load them where, because I've carried rolls a lot of times. They just didn't put them where they were supposed to put them.
That's weird. They don't strap those down. I know they're 6,000 pounds, but
Yeah, they never strap rolls. The back one has stayed in this, it's been in the same spot the whole time because I've been checking when before I left from barely getting into Idaho, that first Loves. Before I left, I checked to see where everything was, and it was still in the same spot. So it was the front one.
I was thinking about stopping at that Loves.
Glad you did.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm just looking for my 3rd triangle.
You're looking for your 3rd. Did you see the crash happen?
Yeah, I did.
Can you kind of tell me what happened?
Well, 3 miles
By the way,
back.
I'm Duncan with State Police. You're being recorded, okay?
Sounds good. Likewise, okay?
Okay.
About 3 miles back, we were going over a turn, and she was speeding. I was doing 65, so she came blasting around me pretty quickly. I can tell she was speeding, and she took a turn, and you can see her back driver wheels tip off the ground, and then she slammed on her brakes and started slowing down. That's when I knew if she does that again, she's gonna go over. And so here we are.
When you say she was speeding, how fast would you think she's going?
I mean, at least 73. If I was doing 65 and she was just going by that quick, that's just a guess. I don't know for sure.
Perfect. I appreciate your help. Go ahead and look for your stuff.
Okay, am I good to go? Cool. Yeah, call me if you have any questions.
All right, what company are you driving for?
And do you have a card?
I do.
Cool. Did they wake you up? Or was you just like very
Well,
far
I'm a
out?
boss, so yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
But I was faster than I'm closer to the scene than my trooper, so we all just go.
Yeah, on call 24, huh?
24.
Damn.
All right, sir. I appreciate you sticking around.
My pleasure, no problem. Thank you. You can see how far she skid from all the way here all the way down there. It's pretty far. With one tire on the ground right there the whole time. I got 2 of the triangles. That's good. You can hear the air is leaking out of that bad boy. Always gotta take a picture. That was interesting, to say the least. I'm glad she's okay.